Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get breakfish tank in Heartopia during the Modular Street event. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get the breakfish tank, you need to go to the festival store, open up this menu and select the weekly challenge. And then you're going to go to the festival store. And here is where you can buy the breakfish tank. Okay, but you need to have the festival token. And for the festival token, you can farm it from here, guys, from the festival event. Try to complete the challenge and you will get the festival token as your rewards. Or you can go to Azour and you're going to sell the festival items to her and she will give you the festival token. Okay, I'm gonna go to the festival related. Okay, we can sell items and I'm going to sell this breakfish and also the break insect. Yeah, just like this. I'm gonna sell them and we'll get the festival token. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the breakfish tank in Heartopia during the Modular Street Festival event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!